Hey everyone! In this video we are going to see one more complex calculated field. I want us to put in a grid or in a bar this. I want to see for each country the sum sales amount for that country, and next to it I want to see the sales amount for the country but grouped by the category. So the idea here is that we have two group levels. One is the country and one is the country and category. If we will just put these dimensions into a table, we will not get that two group levels. I will show you this and then we will start with the calculated field. So I will add here a table. Okay, it's just for this video, so at the end we will delete it, or you can insert it more precisely regarding the design to the dashboard, but I want to do that now. So I will go to the column. So what I started to say, that if I will take here country and I want also to take here the category. Now if I will add here the sales amount, it will be grouped by the country and the category. But what if I want to add here another column that will show me the total sales in the country, and it will be constant regardless the category? It will be the same number for the bikes, the same number for the clothing, and the same number for the components. Sum of these three. How can I do that? For this I need to use a window function, which we will do in an aggregated field, in a calculated column. And this will enable us to show here a calculation in another group level, regardless the dimensions we put here in the table. Let's see that. So I will go back to the binding, I will add a column, and I will add a calculated field. We will call it sales by country. And in order to do that, we have to use a function that is called aggr. Let's see it here. This enables us to use summary expression and then to put dimensions as the group level. Uses the details level and summary function to aggregate underlying data. The level depends on the number of dimensions. So we want to put here sum of sales amount, and then we have to put the group level. So the group will be just the country. So this will do the sum sales grouped by the country. Let's see that. So now, as you can see, we have here the total for the country, and here we have the total of the country also grouped by the category. Alright, perfect. You can also transform these to bars. Of course, you will have to do some more design or to give it more space, because it's a bit not clear now, but as you can see, we have now for each country, we see in the yellow the total sales of the country, and then we can see in the blue colored bars, we can see the sales for each category. So we can see, for example, that in the USA, the sales of the components, which are represented by the blue bar, are much lower than the total, which is represented by the yellow bar, in comparison to the bikes, which are higher and much closer to the total, to the orange one. Alright, so that's it for this video, for the calculated window function. Thanks and see you.